Stephania has her ninja skiing suit on. I'll do it soon, but the view is so good. Hey! Hey! We're doing it! Are you ready?
I think so.
You look the part at least. Okay. So we're now walking to go to our first ski lesson. It's so pretty here. My goodness. Steph looks like a pro. Oh my gosh.
Race director of one in Atlanta.
Yes.
82 miles on open roads.
Wow. Okay.
Trails.
That's very cool. So they ice the roads and...
No, it's not ice. It's inline. It's rolled. It's wheels.
Yeah.
It's at the oval and make fools of ourselves. We're staying in Apex so we can ski and ski out. They brought our skis to us. We're doing our own cooking. But now, even the other side of Park City is a lot more grains.
Yeah, Canyons does not have a lot. I think there's like 3 total.
Whee! I feel like this part is worth it.
Yeah.
Just the
lifts, you get to see more mountain and so beautiful.
Yeah. Stephania,
Hey.
how is skiing going?
It's great. Scary, but great.
Scary?
I think.
We're going now to a blue level lift. There's Dan and our instructor Phoebe up there. And I'm attached to a lanyard, so you probably can't even see my face. But thanks to Savannah for this awesome snowsuit. Oh my gosh, we're going so high.
I know.
We just came down that mountain over there a few times. And I think we're gonna come down this.
Ooh.
The lift is kind of one of the best parts, I think.
I know.
So probably won't get much footage of us skiing because I'm like struggling my way through it, but it's awesome. Wow! Incredibly beautiful up here. Look at this. Woo! Burr. All right, where are we going now, friends?
We're going to No.
Jake and I are dressed for the same activity. Stephania too.
Just shut it. It's fine.
I think it's fine.
I've got the
Alright, I am wearing the wrong shoes.
Do you want to go get? Oh. No, I got snow in my boots.
Oh no.
Wow, this is really a new experience for me.
Oh God.
Oh no, sorry.
Sorry. Oh no, Sarah. Ow, I think I hurt my knee doing that, not skiing.
The only hill I totally freaked out on was that one.
Oh yeah?
It was the end of the day. I'm like, it's very narrow. I have no idea what it's going to be like.
Brr. Yeah, I look like an Arctic lady. Stephanie is in a dress. Typical.
Yeah.
It's like a giant snow plow for snow. That was a really dumb statement. Wow. Is this where the game room is?
Yeah, I think downstairs.
Oh wow. The pool is steaming.
The pool is heated too. Holy crap. Gym?
Awesome.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Oh wow. We could put our stuff over here.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Oh, this
Maybe
is...
on the stairs or something.
No, that's not really dry.
Not really
Look,
covered.
it's 1 Sarah tall.
Not everything.
5 feet 0 inches.
Anyway,
Oh wait, there's another one.
I got some water wings for Sarah. It's 3 feet.
All right,
Be
kids.
risky.
It's really cold. I'm freezing. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh, it's hot. Ouch. Ow, that hurts my toes. Hi, friends.
See, are you warming up the hot tubs now?
Yeah, I get it now. Oh my gosh, this is insane. What the heck? It's snowing.
Snow hot tubs are the best.
Wow, it is beautiful. This is wild to me. You guys, like, I don't know if you understand how much I have not ever experienced anything like this in my entire life.
When you and I were talking about this, I was like,
This is crazy. This is crazy.
Which part? The snow part, or?
any of it. The
All of
cold
it.
Snow.
And I had a.
I've never seen snow like this. Like, it snows hard, but I don't think I've ever seen snow like this. Okay, you can't see anything. Let's see.
And it's like the perfect combination. It's
Can you tell how much it's snowing?
Slightly cooling me off.
Yeah, this is why we're sitting.
Look at this really awesome view that we have.
And I'm like right over the vent here, so it's hot water.
You guys, I wish that the GoPro would pick up what's happening, but like I haven't ever even seen this much snow. We're in a hot tub. It's also a giant hot tub. It's like a tiny pool that's just really warm.
I love it. I love it. This
Yeah,
is amazing.
this is awesome.
the best day ever.
Yay! Yay! Oh, we can't even see Dan. It's too foggy. This is crazy.
Should make Dan say, yay!
So,
Also salt water. Which is rare for a commercial
that's
pool.
true.
Yeah.
So,
Saltwater pool.
verdict on skiing today. You didn't get to see all of the excitement, but so I skied for the first time and I got my little snowplow turns, sort of, my wedge turns, and started working on the Wedge Christie.
Yep.
Is that what it's called?
Christie.
I recognize you can't see me because there's so much water on the lens. But anyway, started working on the Wedge Christie and got okay at it. And then we went on some blue trail and it was like covered in ice and it was kind of terrifying. But I did it. Dan and Stephania and our guide Phoebe only had to wait for me for, I don't know, like 10 minutes at the bottom of every 10-foot section. And then we decided to ski home down that mountain that you can't see, but it goes way up there. It's impossible to see it.
Well, look at the
But you
headlights.
can-
Look at the headlights
Yeah,
on the.
there's headlights on a little snowplow right there, but big mountain that we came down, and it's supposed to be a blue trail. It's got this crazy steep hill, but it was entirely ice. And Dan and Phoebe said that on a regular day it would have been fine, but with the ice conditions, it was like a black trail. So that was exciting, but we're really excited to see all of the snow happening. And I think it's going to keep snowing through the night because there was none scheduled originally. It wasn't supposed to snow at all, like for days. It was just supposed to be warm. So this should really help the skiing tomorrow. And Sarah and Jake are here. They're going to join us. Oh, this is awesome.
That's the trail we came down.
That's crazy.
What I do need.
Yes.
You want a big spoon?
We had a rousing game of Clue that Stephania won, even though she figured out Sarah's strategy. And now, of course, we're watching The Bachelor, because what else would you do in Utah when there's a blizzard outside? Obviously watch The Bachelor and ice your shins. Not from skiing, but because of box jumps. Cool pants, Sarah.
I know, right? I don't care what it's called.
She needed more. She needed her fix. This popcorn's so good.
Eat some of it.